Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we will talk about role of biostatistician. So, before understanding about the role of biostatistician, you all must know about biostatistics. Biostatistics is the development and application of statistical models and theories of inferential probability, computing, and mathematics, and responsible for interpreting the scientific data generated in the health sciences. Statistical methods encompasses designs of a wide range of biological experiments. With the onset of pharmaceutical studies and clinical trials, it has developed in the direction of clinical trial methodology. Generally, linear models of various types, survival analysis, longitudinal methods, and health outcome research. So, now we will talk about the biostatistician in the field of medical research. Biostatistician is basically a PhD or postgraduate person who has specialization in statistics or medical health or epidemiology. So basically, biostatistician is a person who is having a PhD degree or postgraduate in that particular field. Biostatisticians are in high demand due to their various responsibilities in scientific data. They also collaborate with informatics experts, scientists, and researchers for various functions. They consider the variable in subjects like patient, communities, population to understand them and also make sense of different sources of variation. Now we will talk about the responsibilities of biostatistician. The responsibilities are determine the various to determine the ways to utilize the vast information and statistic obtained through various sources like genomics, clinical trials, experimental studies, and observational and longitudinal studies for the public health. Being specialists of data evaluation, they take complex and mathematical finding of clinical trials and research related data. They then translate them into variable information to make public health decisions. Biostatisticians are also required to develop statistical models for the following for the clinical trials to study and evaluate the treatments, screening, and prevention methods in the population. For example, evaluating protocol in terms of study rationale, evaluating study objectives, study design, sample size collection, statistical analysis of primary endpoints, statistical analysis of secondary endpoints, treatment of missing data, informed consent, insurance issues, economical issues. Also, biostatisticians are required for epidemiological studies for the origin of disease in human. Spatial studies for the geographical distribution of diseases and risk factor. Genomics, which is the study of biological activity of genes as they relate to disease and treatments. Human genetics, a study of the genetic differences among diseases and diseases state. Biostatistics is responsible for public health all over the world with data collection and its interpretation by various ways. Now we will talk about the role of biostatisticians in clinical research to assess the relative benefits of competing therapies, investigating proposed and medical treatments, establishing optimal treatment combination, improving knowledge of disease, developing diagnostic methods, developing new treatments and medical devices. All these are the roles of biostatistics in clinical research. Now we will talk about some other roles of biostatistics in clinical research. It is crucial for any clinical research from design, conduct, analysis, and reporting in terms of controlling and minimizing bias, confounding factors, and measuring random errors. They provide formal accounting for sources of variability in patients' responses to treatment. It helps the clinical researcher to form reasonable and precise inference from all collected information to make correct decisions during the presence of uncertainty. Since clinical research is critical for a new drug for its efficacy, it is helped by biostatisticians in drug development. It helps in the following areas: protocol and study design, data management, sample size collection for dose response studies, microarray studies, and Bayesian approaches, miscellaneous classification, effect modification, confounding, study implementation, study monitoring for safety and efficacy. There are some another responsibilities of biostatistician as well, that is to determine the ways to utilize vast information and statistics obtained through various sources like genomic, clinical trial, environmental study, and observational study. Biostatisticians provide formal accounting for sources of variability in patient response to treatment. Biostatistician helps in the following area like protocol and study design, data management, sample size collection, effect modification, study implementation, study monitoring for safety and efficacy, misclassification, and also biostatistician is responsible for data reporting. Hope you understood about today's presentation, that what is biostatistics and what are the roles and responsibilities of biostatistician, and what is the qualification, minimum qualification for the biostatistician. And biostatistician is involved in medical research as well as in the clinical research for various functions, as we have talked about that in our previous slides in the different areas. Thank you.